Can I use my laptop's built-in speakers while using it as an external monitor with HDMI?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today we're going to address a commonly asked question. Can I use my laptop's built-in speakers while using it as an external monitor with HDMI? Stick with us to explore the answers and learn a little bit more about your device in the process.
How does HDMI work?
HDMI, or High Definition Multimedia Interface, is a standard for transferring uncompressed video data and compressed or uncompressed digital audio data from an HDMI-compliant source device to a compatible computer monitor, video projector, digital television, or digital audio device. In other words, it carries both video and audio signals. When you connect your laptop to another device via HDMI, it often assumes that you want to use the sound system of the device you are connecting it to. Therefore, by default, the sound might play from the device connected via HDMI rather than your laptop's built-in speakers.
Can I use my laptop's built-in speakers?
Yes, you can. While the default setting may shift the audio to the connected device, you can manually change the settings on your laptop to continue using its built-in speakers for audio.
How can I change audio settings?
Here are the general steps you can follow to change these settings on a Windows laptop. 1. Right-click the sound icon on your taskbar. 2. Select Open Sound Settings. 3. In the Sound Settings window, navigate to Output. 4. Under Choose Your Output Device, select the built-in speakers for your laptop. For a macOS, 1. Click on the Apple menu at the top left of the screen. 2. Select System Preferences. 3. Click on Sound. 4. In the Output tab, select the internal speakers. Remember, the exact steps may vary slightly depending on your laptop's make and model. So, there you have it. Even when your laptop is connected to an external device via HDMI, you can definitely use your laptop's built-in speakers for audio. You just need to dive into the sound settings and make a quick adjustment. We hope this video helps you better understand and enjoy your laptop's audio capabilities. As always, happy computing!